Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Yesterday, my wife and I went to our local Wally Mart, and I decided I wanted to buy some fruit trees. So, fruit trees, fruit bushes. So, I have two of them, and I think I'm going to plant one of them today and bring you along. What I got was a seedless, um, seedless Thompson grape, and I think I'm actually though going to plant the Natchez blueberry bush, and I have a container for it. I don't think I have enough soil to plant the grapes, but I will get it planted as soon as I can. Let's go ahead and open up the Blackberry and get our soil in our container, and I'll meet you over there. So we have a container of Miracle Grow potting mix, and we're going to dump half of this into my container here, and then we're going to place the plant on top of it, and then use the rest. And plant, I opened it up. Came wrapped in a sawdust type material. So I'm taking that off, and I can't plant any higher than the note or the graph right here. So I'm going to make sure not to do that. Spreading the roots out. Okay, now I'm going to take the rest of the soil and backfill around the plant. Okay, this soil is pretty moist also, but I'm still going to water the plant. I think I need a little bit more potting soil. So I have some inside the greenhouse. We're going to go get that and come back. So I went ahead and watered the plant in, and I think we're good to go. Now, my wife and I have been debating what we should get. as far as other fruit trees. The other day when I was at Tractor Supply, I saw that they had some peach trees. I think they're called the Florida King on sale. They are bare root just like this one was. And I think I'm going to go and get a couple of those before they run out and before the prices go up. We're here in Pepper Row, and all my peppers dropped their leaves, and they looked real sickly, and I thought that they were dying. However, they have started sprouting leaves. I guess they went dormant. The plants themselves went dormant, and now all my pepper plants are coming back sprouting leaves, and I guess they're getting ready for spring just like I am. And they seem to be looking pretty good. Even the sickly eggplant tree bush is starting to come back and looking well also. So maybe, just maybe, I really don't need to be planting any new pepper plants. But you know me, I love my pepper plants, and you already know I have several already started. So thank you for coming along with me while we did this real quick video showing the first planting of fruit here at the homestead. And it's one of my goals for 2025 to start a fruit forest. So this is the beginning of it. I hopefully by the year's end have at least 8 or 9 plants or trees started. And I know we won't be getting fruit anytime soon, but it will definitely put us on our way to being self-sustainable and an actual homestead. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and hopefully fruit, God willing, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are you like my content. Your friends and family will also. So it's okay to share. Always remember to give God the thanks. For without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.